Hey guys, Morgan from Charleston Crafted here today, and we are going to be talking about how to stain wood. So today I'm going to be talking about how to stain pine, and pine is one of the easiest to get, most generic wood types. If you live on the East Coast, it's definitely going to be the cheapest, and it is very common wood for beginning woodworkers to work with. But it's not necessarily the easiest to stain, so let's talk about that process. The steps are 1. Sand it with a high grit sandpaper. 2. Wipe it clean. 3. Apply a pre-stained wood conditioner. And 4. Stain in the direction of the grain with a rag or a paintbrush. Then after a few minutes, wipe off any excess stain. Once your wood is fully stained, you have the option of applying a top coat like polyacrylic. Use the same process in the direction of the stain using a paintbrush, and you will have protected your wood as well. Alright, so here's our pine board, and you can see that pine is a light wood with a sort of golden colored wood grain to it. Sometimes pine will have a lot of knots or dark spots on it. When you're shopping for pine, you want to look for something as smooth as possible, assuming that you're building furniture. First step before you stain a piece of wood is that you're going to want to sand it. And if you are starting from scratch, you're going to want to sand it starting with a more coarse, lower number grit sandpaper, and then working up to a fine, higher grit sandpaper just to finish it off. So something over 200 grit is perfect for finishing. And this just opens up the pores, smooths out the surface. A lot of times wood straight from the store has a little bit of a coating on it, so this will help to remove that. So pine wood is very soft, very porous, and because of that there can be variance in the dryness of the wood. So just like your skin, there can be spots that are drier, like maybe your elbows, and spots that are more moist, and those dry spots are going to be like a dry sponge and soak up so much more stain and get darker than some of the less dry spots. So that's what's going to lead to your splotchiness. So to prevent that, we're going to use wood conditioner, and this is the Varathane wood conditioner that I love. And it's very easy to apply. You can use a foam brush, a regular brush, or a lint-free cloth to apply it. You cannot go wrong. Any of these will work. I'm going to use this foam brush right now, and you just want to put it on here and apply in the direction of the grain. And you're going to see that this is going to slightly darken the wood right away, makes it a little bit more golden. It's just like putting lotion on. It gives you a little glow. This soaks in. After 24 hours, it will be completely gone, and you need to reapply. But we're gonna wanna let this sit for 30 minutes before we apply the stain on top of it. So I'm applying the stain in the direction of the wood, along the wood grain, and look at that. Look at how pretty. This is a very soft wood, and it just soaks this stain right up. If your pine is not absorbing the stain very well, like look at this side, put a little stain on this side. This is the side that was not sanded, and it just like wipes right off. It doesn't stay on. That's because it has this coating on it from the store. This is when it's sanded and the pores are open and it's ready for stain. Boom chicka boom. That's how easy it is to stain wood. I hope that this was informative and helped you for your next woodworking project. Thanks so much for watching.